Hello everyone, so welcome to the Cool Crochet Society. I'm Kelly and today I'm going to show you the slip stitch. So the slip stitch is used if you want to reposition where you are in your work. So say you've entered touch chain but your pattern calls for you to come and start over here. Well, how do you get there without cutting your yarn off and having ends to weave in later? Well, you do it with the slip stitch. And the slip stitch just means you can snake across without actually adding any height to your work. So I've done 2 here, and as you can see there is no real height added. All it is an extra loop that I'm using to snake across, and it won't be on show. So to do the slip stitch, you just pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the loop. You're not adding any height at all. So you just hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through that one loop. And that is it. And if I turn it over, you can see the top of the slip stitch is there, but there's no real height added. So I just pulled that loop up there. So these stitches here, there's no slip stitch. These stitches here is on top. And all I've done is added this back loop here. But there's no real height being added, so it's a great way to just snake across your work if you do need to do that reposition, and it's virtually invisible. There you go. So as always, if you'd like any other tips, advice, or just want to have a crochet chat, come over to my Facebook group, the Cool Crochet Society. I'm always happy to help, always happy to welcome new people, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.